This is the image formatter template at SharePoint-dashboards.com. This template is to make the format of hyperlink or image columns look nice. So this simply takes either of those, which by default show a small thumbnail, which isn't dynamic, it's a bit hard to see, and it formats it to look the way that you want it to look. So I've got two fields here. One is the SharePoint hyperlink column using the picture option, and the other one is simply the SharePoint image column. And this formatting will work on either type of column. There aren't many options that you need to decide on when using this template. You simply can decide whether or not you want to use a border. You can pick different border colors if you like that. Additionally, if you like to have a curved corner effect, that is also an option to you as well. If you don't want the border on there, you can just uncheck the Use Border checkbox. And then another option is whether you want dynamic width. That means that the image will automatically expand to fill the width of the column. Usually this looks pretty nice. It's something where the user can just drag the width of the column and it'll fill the space. If you want it to be a fixed width, you would simply uncheck that box. So let's go ahead and copy this template, and we're going to apply that to one of our columns. So just click Copy Template, follow the directions in the box, and I'm going to apply this to my first column, which is a hyperlink column. So you go to Column Settings, format this column, and then Advanced mode. If you see the link on the bottom, that'll take you here, and just hit Save. Okay, so there we go. It applied the format. Hopefully you agree that looks much nicer. Because I use the dynamic width option, it will automatically fill the space. Now if I click on that, of course, it's going to open whatever is stored there. This does work very nicely with the gallery image selector if you have that template. That's another template here at the SharePoint-dashboards.com site. So I can use these both together for a very nice effect. Let's go ahead and pick one of those templates. There's the puzzle pieces, and I have that set. As I mentioned, the other type of column this can be used for is, of course, the image column type. And if you want to use it for the image column type, you do need to make sure that you switch the field type selection to image, and that will update the code. So let's go ahead and once again copy the template and click OK. And I will go to the column header, column settings, format this column, and select the code and paste. Okay, there is the formatting on that column. Again, this is set dynamic. Now if I don't set it dynamic, it will set it in place. I'll show you what that looks like real quick. I'll turn off the Use Dynamic Width option. Now it's going to have the width set exactly as I have set in the fixed width field. So let's set that to 150, and I'm going to copy my template and apply it again, and we'll see the difference. So I'm going to Column Settings, format this column, and I'm in advanced mode. I just paste it in, and now it is fixed. That means no matter what the column width is, it's going to stay the same. If my column width is set more narrow, it's going to be clipped on the right side, so you'd have to adjust it to bring it to view. You may want this depending on the size of images that you're doing. That's all there is to it. This is a really easy to use template. As I mentioned, this works very nicely with the stock image selector template. You can use those both together. And this template is available at SharePoint-dashboards.com. If you do not already have a login, you can get one for free that will give you access to the 20 free templates. And then there is a subscription package if you want to use all of the templates, of which there are more than 120 templates as of this video. Hopefully you found that handy, and good luck.